guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me, my brother, Bruno. And today we are going to be trying mint flavored chocolate pretty much all the time that I could find. And I'm going to be putting them into categories of Gas Queen, Would Try Again, and Notified. Thanks for showing me that. Okay, so we're just going to start go from one side to the other. There also are a couple of things in here I'd rather find out, like Kit Kats, because these gluten intolerant forward. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I'm going to only eat one piece each.
Looks like this from the front.
Here.
3, 2, 1.
What rating would you give that?
I'll try it again, but like, it's not.
Yeah, I'm kind of sitting in between trying again and Gas Queen. I really like Cadbury's chocolate, so like.
I only like good chocolate up in that high section.
So yeah, I mean, overall, I think it's. Try again! Okay, next. We'll do the other Cadbury's one.
Do the other Cadbury's one, which is just normal peppermint inside of it.
Chocolate. Creamy.
3, 2, 1.
I think I like this one better.
Yeah, just. The
I think
normal one just has too much of a
Smith.
taste to it.
I'd definitely have it again.
Okay. Yeah, I'd still press it and try again.
Yeah, okay.
Future Sarah, who is editing right now, we actually couldn't taste the mint in them because we'd like already had mint, and so like as it goes on, we start going, we can't taste mint, we can't taste mint. Yeah, that was because we like had the mint taste in our mouth. So most of them, especially like the M&Ms and stuff, and after dinner mints and all that stuff after, like when we had it later on, it did taste really good. So yeah.
It's going to be after dinner.
These are dinner mints.
I've definitely had after dinner mints before.
Alright.
They taste weird.
Yeah, they taste weird. They don't taste like normal chocolate to me.
They actually don't taste like after dinner mints. I'm going to go with not a vibe. Like that actually wasn't.
That's not a vibe for me.
Okay, next we're going to try Intense Mint Dark. I don't like dark chocolate. He loves dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate's the healthiest.
That's a jumper. I don't know, have a bite of mine and be like, I'm done. That's not too bad. It has like a dark aftertaste, but I also don't know if I'm getting the mint taste particularly.
I don't get a mint taste there. The matter is just not a prominent.
But it says intense.
Insane.
So
Yeah,
that's
it
different. That's
Yeah.
different, that's different. Just like that. Okay. I think, yeah, we'll do that one.
Fry Supreme Dark Mint.
Oh, small.
I'd still try it again. But she'll say not a vibe because it's dark
I do
chocolate.
not like dark chocolate at all. Okay, next we're going to try Aero. So it's just, oh no, it's just split. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. I like Aero chocolate.
Nah, not a vibe.
Okay,
I like the flavour.
we'll just go to try again. Because I haven't eaten it. Okay. We'll do the patty.
And patty. Looks like this.
Why does it taste really bland? I think the taste buds are broken.
I'm just putting on the powder. I thought that was
Just kind of. It does have a little bit of a mint taste. It does kind of just taste like an Eskimo.
You never know, it could just be because of the taste of mint, so the ones that don't have as prominent mint flavours to them don't taste minty as much as we think they should.
Next we're going to try Dara Lee. One mega minty moment.
Okay, you want to try Granny Smith apple?
It's not getting a very strong mint taste, but they taste like chocolate white taste good. I'd say I would try it again.
I've tried it on as well. And now I'm going to try the Kit Kat.
Let's do the Kit Kat.
Just remember, if you need a break, have a Kit Kat.
We're not sponsored by anyone.
Still fun.
That has a mint taste to it, that's good.
Not a vibe, man.
I'll please try and eat it. I'd have that again, that was actually really nice. I really like that. I like Kit Kat. And then, last? Yeah, last.
This is the mint M&M's. I haven't found there's 3 different flavours in it. Why would they tip over?
This is now our floor.
We have white.
What, can you wait for me to start sitting down again? And then before you talk?
We have white. Green.
And I'll use it.
And brown.
Are they different flavours?
I think they're different flavours of mint. Try the green one first. Has a mint taste to it. White one. I think there might be like peppermint standing something. Now a brown one. Definitely try them again.
Okay. Which one would you reckon was your favourite?
Literally 10 years later.
To me, it might have been because it already tasted mint. But a lot of the ones are. A lot of the ones that we tasted later just didn't have that mint taste to it. So, personally, in my mind, it would have to be probably one of the first two because they had the most prominent. They had the most prominent mint flavors too.
I'm gonna say either the Krispy Kreme or probably the Kit Kat. Yeah. And so I was tossing between the Kit Kat and the Aero. Yeah, probably the Kit Kat. It's pretty good too. So next week we are going to try orange flavored chocolate and chili chocolate, which is also dark chocolate. So like, I don't like dark chocolate, and like chili, I don't like spicy things. Do you like spicy things? Like really, really spicy things?
I can take a good curry, man. Spicy one.
Would you like chili?
Yeah.
Plain chili? Would you eat a chili?
Yeah.
Are you excited about the chili chocolate?
Like, it'll probably make a spicy one now, but like, I can make it. Don't do it.
So yeah. Come back next week, see that video, subscribe, saying, post on post notifications so you don't miss it.
And there's 3 different flavors of it.